Sustainable living through threads of tradition. नक्शी काथा, नक्शी यानी कि पैटर्न और काथा जिसे संस्कृत भाषा में कौंथा यानी कि रैग्स कहा जाता है. The tradition of making quilts from recycled fabric. Nakshi Katha, where women stitches narratives of their lives, dreams, aspirations and emotions. रंगीन धागों की एक ऐसी दुनिया जो ना कि सिर्फ एक क्राफ्ट, हस्तकला बल्कि सस्टेनेबल लिविंग का एक बहुत ही अच्छा उदाहरण है. We are deeply grateful to our professors and administration of National Institute of Fashion Technology for making us learn not just the craft but also connecting us deeply with the people who are taking this tradition forward. That are the artisans of various clusters in Bolpur, Shantiniketan. Our journey started with a train from Howrah station to Bolpur, शांतिनिकेतन. पश्चिम बंगाल, वेस्ट बंगाल के बीरभूम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में स्थित एक छोटा सा शहर जो अपने प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य और सांस्कृतिक धरोहर कल्चरल हेरिटेज के लिए जाना जाता है. Rabindranath Tagore envisioned Shantiniketan as a center for education and rural development. Inspired by his vision, his daughter-in-law Pratima Devi took the initiative to revive Katha at Kala Bhavan. Kala Bhavan, a place for visual art practice and research in India. Drishya Kala, Abhyas और अनुसंधान. The institute, which gave shape to culture-specific modernism initiated by Rabindranath Tagore and carried forward by the commitment and wisdom of Nandlal Bose, Sir Mukhopadhyay, Ram Kinkar Page and their contemporaries has richly contributed in giving a valid direction to individual art activity in contemporary social space. In words of Rabindranath Tagore, Shantiniketan is a university town where people live and work together in harmony with nature. Before Pratima Devi reintroduced Katha as a commercial craft, Katha is traditional embroidery craft originating from undivided Bengal, जिसमें बिहार, उड़ीसा, झारखंड, असम, छत्तीसगढ़ भी शामिल थे. सन 1947 के विभाजन पार्टीशन ने बंगाल को पश्चिम बंगाल और पूर्व बंगाल में विभाजित कर दिया. इसके बावजूद काथा कढ़ाई दोनों क्षेत्रों में फलती फूलती रही. Katha embroidery continued to flourish in both regions, remaining a vibrant tradition in West Bengal and Bangladesh and parts of Bihar and Odisha. काथा की व्याख्या कृष्णदास कविराज की 500 सदी पहले लिखी श्री श्री चैतन्य चरितअमृता में की गई है. The folk epic Nakshi Katharmat by Jasmuddin immortalizes Katha, depicting a poignant tale where a woman stitches her sorrows into a Katha. Traditionally, Katha was a craft cherished among rural Bengali women, deeply embedded in their daily lives. एक माँ अक्सर अपनी बेटी को काथा भेंट स्वरूप देती है जो उसके न्यूबॉर्न बेबी नवजात शिशु के लिए होता है. Katha stitches usually with vibrant colors form designs ranging from geometric patterns to intricate scenes of rural life, mythology, nature यानी कि ग्रामीण जीवन, पौराणिक कथाओं और प्राकृतिक के जटिल दृश्यों तक के डिजाइन बनाते हैं. प्राचीन बंगाली कला की पहचान काथा कढ़ाई, रंगीन धागे की अद्भुत चित्रकारी बनती सुंदर रजाई, मानव, जानवर, मंदिर, प्राकृतिक दृश्यों के रूपांकित आकार, ग्रामीण महिलाएं लोक कला उकेर करती है सपने साकार. Traditionally, Katha involves the reuse of old worn out fabrics that are layered together to form a base, which is then turned into a quilt. Artisans would then draw or outline the desired design on the top layer, and the motif is embroidered using the Katha stitch. However, as Katha has become a more commercialized craft, artisans now follow a more commercialized process. सबसे पहले डिज़ाइन की रूपरेखा एक ट्रेसिंग पेपर पर बनाई जाती है। उसमें सुई यानी कि नीडल की मदद से बड़ी ही बारीकी के साथ छोटे छोटे छेद किए जाते हैं। उस डिज़ाइन को केरोसिन ऑयल की मदद से कपड़े पर उकेरा जाता है। एक बार कपड़े पर डिज़ाइन आ जाने पर काथा स्टिच, काथा कढ़ाई की मदद से कढ़ाई की जाती है। The tradition of Katha embroidery is passed down through generations from mothers to grandmother to daughters. This generational transmission ensures the survival and continuity of this rich cultural heritage, keeping the craft alive within the community. और इस ट्रेडिशन परंपरा को बरकरार रखने वाली महामाया सिकदार, a national awardee Katha artist who lives and breathes Katha. Her passion for the craft is unmistakable, and her optimism reflects that she actually breathes Katha. As we are journeyed through the world of Nakshi Katha, we discovered much more than just a craft. We unearthed stories of artisans, stories of resilience, heritage, and a profound connection to the past. Each stitch is a testament to the creativity, endurance, and emotions of women who, for generations, have kept this tradition alive. In today's world, where the pace of life is ever quickening, Nakshi Katha stands as a reminder of beauty and sustainability. It teaches us that even in a commercialized world, there is a room for preserving our traditions, honoring the hands that craft them, and ensuring that these timeless practices by artisans continue to thrive. Our hope is that this inspire you to look beyond the stitches and see the lives, dreams, and histories that are intricately woven into every piece of Nakshi Katha. Nakshi Katha, sustainable living through threads of tradition.
For people who know and for people who don't, I am Shrishti Lakhera और ये है CRD शांति निकेतन